Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add a black screen on CapCut PC. There are two ways to go about this. You can get a random video and place it like down here, and then you're going to go to basic canvas. It's already black, but I'm just going to color it black again. And then you're just going to create compound clip, and then it turns into a black screen. Make sure the duration is longer though. You can freeze frame it and then make it longer, I think, or you can't, because I don't think so, because it's like a compound clip. So you better adjust it before you make it into a compound clip. You can also go to the background section instead and then add in a black screen here. Again, if you want it longer, you can actually now just freeze frame it and make it longer. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!